Hello everyone, this is the part 3 of telling you how to work with a customized ordered website. Now, as I told you, it takes a long time to complete the import. As you can see, import completed now. If we go here and visit website, then we can see our categorized here hockey, and if we click it, we can see all the logos. Okay, now there's something that we should do in the setting. For example, if you look at here, it's logo 1 and then logo 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and then logo 2. We should sort these logo numbers numerically. So we just need to go to products and then products categories. Then you can see hockey, it's logo 1, 10, 11. We can sort them like here. We just click and go down till the place that we want. Okay, so it's 1, 11 and then now for 11 we'll do that again. For 12, 13, 14 and then 15. Now it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. Okay, we don't need to save anything here. As long as we do this, it will save. If we go back there and just refresh it, now we can see that under hockey it's 1, 2 till 15. This is one part that you have to check carefully. The second thing is that if we go there, for example, go inside that, we have size. Okay, if the size order is not use large till XXL at the end, we should sort them accordingly as well. It's okay right now, but if it was wrong, where should we go? We should just go to product attributes. Then we want to change the size sorting, so we go to size, configure terms, and again we just need to drag it and there, place it in any place that we want. Okay, but we don't want to change anything here, so it's just from use small if we have that, it shows we don't have any, until XXL. Okay, and now after finishing all of these things, you can see here, do you remember that I told you that we need a logo option next to any of these pictures? Now we have a sleeve name and back name here, but we don't have any option for the logo option. If we go to rugby, for example, and click one of these ones, you can see here we have hood logo and sleeve logo, and also we have, for example, here we have 3 different logos, and if we select any of them, they will add $4 to our purchase. Okay, so we need to add this part to our hockey as well. Now we should go to products, global add-on. Here we can see that we have these parts. If you see, we have hood or sleeve logo for rugby. We have an extra one here, it's soccer. We can edit it and use it for hockey. So we just go to edit, change the title to hockey. It doesn't show anywhere, but we need to know that we use this for hockey. Then the category that we want, we select it, we can put all products if it will goes to all of the product, but right now it's only for hockeys, so category will be hockey. And then we just go here. If you see, we have only 3 options, but if you remember, we have 4 logo options there. So we add a new one and just type logo number 4 and edit 4 here. Okay, we should do it for this part as well. New logo number 4, and this is 4, and this one is 1, so we will edit it to 4 as well. Okay, here we need to save it. We save global ads on. Okay, now let's check whether it changed or not. So we are in hockey, we choose anyone, just click it, then you can see it here. Okay, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 because we have here 1, 2, 3, 4 logo option, and here as well 4 options. Okay, so we need to change the sorting of size, we need to change the sorting of the category that we are seeing here. Then we will definitely need name if this product needs to have name or number, anything on the sleeve or on the back. And then the logo, if we have these part here, according to how many logo that we have, we will add it here. So we have 4, we have it 4. For rugby, we have 3, so we added just 3. You can see we have only 3. Okay, this is the part that you have to work on. Now we have other settings that you should check after finishing all website generation, because these websites are cloning from other template, so they may have some extra thing that you should delete at the beginning of working with this website. For example, if we have any extra ones, we just go to all import, manage import. We have just rugby and hockey right now, but if it wasn't the thing that we wanted, we just select it and then we just click delete, and then we will delete it. But right now we need it, so we don't do anything here. And we need to go to WooCommerce and setting. We need to fix something if it's wrong. The first part is that we should check this part, general. We should check that the location should be Canada, Ontario, and it should be disable shipping and calculation. Okay, and then we go to tax. This part should be including tax, not including HST. Okay, then we go to checkout. This part we should go to check payments. You can see it should be enabled. Okay, and this part should be payment by check. Then this is the address that should be here. We generated the website from Top Uniform, so it's the address for Top Uniforms. Then you should check Stripe. It should be enabled as well. And the thing that you should check is here. This is the name of the school, so it should be exactly the same as this one. Okay, or it can be Top Uniforms or Peel Uniforms depending on the order, but if it's anything that is not related to these school should be changed. Okay, and if you change anything, you definitely should press save changes, unless it won't save anything. After checkout, you should go to emails. We should have 3 emails here, and all of them should be exactly the same as this. Online orders, and if it's top, it should be topuniforms.ca, and if it's peel, it should be peeluniforms.com. Okay, then we should go to Booster. After going to Booster, you should go to Active. And the most important parts are checkout custom field and order numbers. Okay, we just go to checkout custom fields, go to setting. It should be enabled, and if it is basic 7, this part should be 2. Okay, and then if you come down, you can see that the label is student's name for the first one. But if it's 2, 1 is a student's home phone number, and the second one is student's name. Okay, because for basic 7 we need to categorize them according to the teacher's name and also student's name, so we need that part, and it should be exactly the same as this part, and this part should be enabled, and this all should be add, like this. And if we don't have it, we just go to this part, cart, and checkout custom field, and then select it as enable and add this part. The second thing that was order, we go to shipping and orders, order numbers. This should be enabled, and this is the only thing that should be changed. This is the order number custom prefix that should be exactly the same as the starting of the website, that is JDSS. If it's anything else, it should be changed. Okay, and then don't forget to save changes. This part should be finished accordingly, but as I did it for the rugby one, so it's again the same for the hockey one as well, so I don't need to change anything. But every time that you are creating the website, you should check all these procedures from general, text, checkout, email, and booster. Don't forget to do that. And we have one thing. If you want to, for example, if you go to product and product per page, we can change anything here. For example, if I want to see that according to, for example, sort by 10 in one page, or 20 or 50 or 100 or all. Okay, this is the default. But if I want to change it, for example, just to show 50 in one page, we just change it all to 50. Okay, but right now it's, if I go to home page, you can see that we can select like this. Okay, but if it's only one page and we don't have any category, we want to show it, for example, all of them, we can select 50 instead of doing like this. But right now we don't change anything here, and this is the total website that is look like. Okay, thank you for watching. Have fun.